Welcome to Season 2 of Hospitality TV, brought to you by Centennial College's School of Hospitality, Tourism, and Culinary Arts. This season, we are highlighting some of the values that fine dining offers to the culinary treasures in the area of Highland Creek in Scarborough. In this episode, Kirsten shares how she started her bake shop, 4 Sweets Cookies.
I never ever thought I would have a shop, never in a million years. It just happened so naturally. I think that there's never ever been a time where I didn't want to do it, which is good, because I always worried, would I ever wake up and think, I don't want to go to work today? But it hasn't happened yet, so. My name is Kirsten Goritsas, and I own 4 Sweets Cookies Bake Shop. My passion for baking, I think, goes back many, many years. I used to bake as a teenager with kids that I would babysit, but more recently, when I was off on my last maternity leave, I had some extra time at home with my daughter, and we started decorating sugar cookies. And we did them for Halloween, and it just grew into this amazing thing that we did together. It was a hobby for many, many years, and then when it became a bit more, I started renting commercial kitchen space. And then we just continued to grow and grow, and it became a little bit more than I could juggle full-time teaching and baking. So I took a leave of absence from my full-time, my real job, and I've really tried to incorporate what I love about teaching into my business now. So I do offer decorating classes, I do birthday parties, so I feel like I've kind of created the best of both worlds here. The community has built my business, so when I was looking for a space, I really needed to serve this community. We live in the area, and we've lived here for about 12 years. We wouldn't be here without the West Rouge community. Is really, really awesome with small business, local support. They love supporting small business. That's why I have other vendors in my store showcasing their goods as well. It's people I've met on my journey. I've met at farmers markets. We've been vendors together. So I think supporting each other is just super, super important. Definitely, I've learned a lot of things owning a business. All the back end stuff that I had no clue about, different suppliers, how to get products at a better price. I'm always trying to do that to keep costs low. Our products have changed dramatically. I started out with decorating sugar cookies only, and then I got into cakes slowly because people would ask, do you do cakes? So they want both a one-stop shop type idea. And I remember in the early days just swearing I would never, ever, ever do cakes. Never, never, never. But it's what people need, and I'm always looking for a challenge too. And I make sure that our packaging is pretty, like everything about it is nice to gift. So we try and offer a lot of different items, a lot of different price points so that everybody can find something here. As a small business owner, obviously there's a lot of expenses to that, and it's so important to find affordable marketing because I can produce the most beautiful things, but if nobody knows I'm here, then that's where fine dining came in as a community offering for a lot of small businesses. And I think that just the way that we operate and we support each other, fine dining was like a no-brainer for me. I get a lot of joy out of baking. It makes people happy. I get to be a part of really nice celebrations, and owning my own business gives me flexibility with my family. It's a lot of long hours, I will admit that, but it is also provided my kids with an opportunity to be a part of it too. So my children do help me here. The older ones work, the younger ones help. It's an adventure, it is. I love the freedom of it. I love that I can do pretty much whatever pops into my head. I can give it a try. It's provided me with a lifestyle that's a bit more flexible than teaching, certainly more hours, I would say, than what I was putting in before. But I think the joy that we bring people is the bottom line for me.
You can find 4 Sweets Cookies and many other local bake shops on finedining.ca.